what will be the correct decreasing order of acidic strength of hydroxybenzoic acid? Now we have para hydroxybenzoic acid. Now this molecule is para hydroxybenzoic acid. We have benzoic acid. Now this molecule is benzoic acid. Meta hydroxybenzoic acid. Now this molecule is meta hydroxybenzoic acid, and we have ortho hydroxybenzoic acid, in which COOH and OH are situated at ortho position. Now any electron withdrawing effect increases acidic strength. Acidic strength depend on presence of electron withdrawing group and decreases by presence of electron donating group. So minus M and minus I effect increases acidic strength, while plus M and plus I electron donating group decreases acidic strength. Now in first case, OH is situated at para position, so it will have plus M effect and minus I effect, but mesomeric effect is dominating, so it plus M effect of OH will decrease acidic strength. Now in second case, COOH, only COOH is present, which may be taken as reference, so reference will be more acidic compared to first. Now in third case, OH is situated at meta position, so only minus I effect will be applicable on COOH. Now fourth one will be most acidic because ortho effect of OH group increases acidic strength. So ortho hydroxybenzoic acid, fourth ortho hydroxybenzoic acid will be most acidic. So fourth will be most acidic. Then meta hydroxybenzoic acid is having minus I effect, and this minus I effect will increase acidic strength. So at then third. Now the second reference benzoic acid and para hydroxybenzoic acid, due to its plus M effect, will be least acidic, and hence correct answer is B. The specific rotation of pure enantiomer is plus 10 clockwise. The observed rotation, if it is isolated from a reaction with racemization of 30%, if 30% racemization takes place, then due to racemic mixture, optical rotation will be 0. Now we have 70% product with inversion of configuration, and inverted, if 100% inverted product, if we are getting 100% inverted product, then its rotation will be minus 10, but we are getting only 70%, so 70% of minus 10 will be observed, so it would be minus 7 degree anticlockwise, and correct answer is D. The possible product obtained from the reaction of cyclobutylamine with HNO2 followed by treating with water. So when cyclobutylamine, now this molecule is cyclobutylamine, and this molecule on treating with HNO2, it will be converted to diazonium ion, so N2 positive Cl negative. Now diazonium are unstable and nitrogen gas will be evolved, so it will be converted to cyclobutyl carbocation. Now if positive charge is present in ring, now there is possibility of ring contraction. Now this carbon will acquire positive charge and this carbon will acquire negative charge, so a 3-membered ring is formed similar to this, which can be written as like this. Now this carbocation formed is highly stable due to dancing resonance. Now product may formed from these two molecules, so major product will be similar to this if OH is attached at this carbon, and if OH is attached at this carbon, then we will get these two products, and hence correct answer is D. Both A and C are formed in the reaction. The correct order of reactivity of the following addition reaction of the following carbonyl compound with ethyl magnesium iodide. Now carbonyl compound react with nucleophile and give nucleophilic addition reaction. Now carbonyl compound will act as electrophile. Nucleophile having pair of electron donate pair of electron to carbon. Simultaneously carbon oxygen electron bonds are shifted towards oxygen, so it will be converted to O negative nucleophile. Now in second step, electrophile will combine with this positive charge, so it will be converted to this molecule. Now the rate of reaction depend on two factors. First, on magnitude of positive charge on carbonyl carbon. Higher the positive charge on carbonyl carbon, higher will be reactivity, and inversely proportional to crowding. With increasing crowding, rate of reaction decreases. Now all the aldehyde are more reactive comparison to all ketone, so formaldehyde will be most reactive. Now this CH3 is having plus I effect, and this plus I effect decreases positive charge on carbonyl carbon, and hence reactivity decreases. So first is most reactive, then third. Now in second case, two CH3 groups are present, hence acetone will be comparatively less reactive than acetaldehyde. Now fourth one is having two tertiary butyl groups, so it is very crowded, and hence fourth will be least reactive, and correct sequence is 1, 3, 2 and fourth is least reactive, hence correct answer is A. In this question we have to find product of given sequential reaction. So now this molecule is having 3 Cl groups on same carbon in presence of base. Now this Cl will be replaced by OH group. Now 3 OH on same carbon will be unstable, so it will remove water molecule and the compound will be converted to carboxylic acid. Now this carboxylic acid on reacting with ammonia on heating converted to amide, so we will get benzamide as a product, so C double bond O, NH2 is formed. Now this benzamide on reacting with bromine and NaOH undergoes Hofmann-Bromide reaction, and due to a Hofmann-Bromide reaction it will be converted to aniline along with formation of NaBr and CO2. Now this aniline molecule on reacting with bromine water will be converted to tribromo aniline, so white precipitate of tribromo aniline is formed as a product. So 2, 4, 6 tribromo aniline is the final product, and hence correct answer is B. What final product will form when alcoholic KOH is treated with 1,1-dichloroethane? Now this molecule is 1,1-dichloroethane, and this molecule on reacting with alcoholic KOH will replace H and Cl, so after beta elimination it will be converted to vinyl chloride. Now this vinyl chloride is still having one H and Cl. On further reacting with alcoholic KOH, it will again remove H and Cl, and it will be finally converted to acetylene. So ethyne is the final product form, and hence correct answer is C. Consider the following antibiotics. So we have two types of antibiotics: antibacterials which destroy bacteria by treating the cell wall or cell membrane of the bacteria are termed bactericidal. Now these bactericidal are those antibacteria which completely destroy bacteria, while we have bacteriostatic, those antibiotic which slow or inhibit growth of bacteria are referred as bacteriostatic. Now all the given compounds are antibiotic, but afloxacin and penicillin are antibacterial and bactericidal which completely destroy the bacteria, and hence correct answer is 2 and 4. So correct answer is B. A compound with molecular mass 180 is treated with CH3COCl to get a compound with molecular mass 390. So initial weight of compound was 180 and final weight is 390. So the change in weight is due to reaction of CH3COCl. So change in weight is 390 minus 180. So 210 is the change in weight due to CH3COCl. Now we have to find number of amino group. So any molecule which is having amino group on reacting with CH3COCl will be converted to amide. So it will be converted to RNHCOCH3. Now during the process CH3CO is added and overall HCl is removed. So change in weight is due to presence of CH3CO group, and when CH3CO is added, one hydrogen is also removed. So overall change is of CH2CO, and weight of CH2CO is for 2 carbon 24, for oxygen 16, and for 2 hydrogen 2. So overall change is, if one CH3CO group is added, then overall change in weight is 42 because one hydrogen is also getting removed. So if there is change of 210, then number of CH3CO group are 210 divided by 42 is equal to 5. So this molecule must have 5 NH2 group, and hence correct answer is 5.